Labor Day Classic's finally here. You know, sold out crowd over 44,000. This place is just going to be amped and just jacked up. I'm super pumped for the game. You know, it's only hours away now, and I know that the atmosphere is just going to be crazy, and it's going to be so hard on the opponent when they're trying to run offensive plays. You know, every single year this game is always just an incredible when it comes to crowd noise, and I think this year is just going to take it to a whole new level. So jacked up for it. You know, the Winnipeg's a team that has been struggling, but anytime that you overlook a team like that, that's when you get bit in the butt. So, you know, we got to make sure that we're ready to play today. You know, I think we did a really good job this week of preparing like we would for any other game. You know, we're always looking to go 1-0 on any given week. So that's what our goal is this week. And you know, the Bombers' defense is a good defense. You know, it's just like in the Montreal game when we were playing them. You know, they were coming in with a poor record, but we knew they were a much better team than that, and their defense played us really, really tough. We got to expect the same type of game today. You know, their record isn't all that great, but when it comes down to it, you know, they got some really good defensive ends. We got to make sure that we're chipping them because they can blow up the game if we let them. So we got to make sure offensively, you know, we're really protecting Darian, and we should be able to move the ball. I want to thank everyone who's been coming to my site regularly and checking it out and make sure they're staying up to date with it. So, you know, shout out to all you fans out there that are able to get on and see the site regularly. Really appreciate it. I got a lot more game worn stuff that's going to be coming up on the site soon. So keep your eyes peeled.